Are you ready to turn your dream of passive income into reality? In just minutes, I'm going to show you how to become a landlord and start building wealth with single-family homes. Stick around, because this step-by-step guide is your ticket to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Mike Slane, the discount property investor, and today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to become a landlord. If you've ever dreamed of owning single-family homes and earning passive income through real estate, this video is for you. We'll walk through the key steps to get started, so stick around and let's make your landlord journey a reality. First things first, why become a landlord? Owning rental properties, especially single-family homes, is a fantastic way to build wealth. You get steady rental income, potential tax benefits, and the chance for your property to appreciate over time. It's not just a job, it's a path to financial freedom. So let's break it down step by step. Step 1, educate yourself. Real estate investing isn't something you just jump into blindly. You need to understand the basics: how to find properties, how to finance them, and what makes a good rental. Learn about local rental markets, property values, and landlord-tenant laws in your area. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better your chances of success. Step 2, set your goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Are you looking for long-term cash flow, or do you want to fix up properties and sell them for a profit later? For single-family homes, I recommend starting with long-term rentals. They're simpler to manage and provide consistent income. Figure out your budget too. How much can you invest in a property? Don't forget to factor in costs like repairs, maintenance, and unexpected vacancies. Step 3, find the right property. This is where the fun begins. Look for single-family homes in solid neighborhoods. Think good schools, low crime, and easy access to jobs or amenities. You want a property that attracts reliable tenants. Check the numbers too. A good rule of thumb is the 1% rule. Your monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. So a $150,000 home should rent for $1,500 a month. Finding deals is key, and that's where tools like Discount Property Leads can help. They connect you with off-market properties at great prices. More on that later. The 1% rule is getting more and more difficult to make work without buying at a discount. Often that means buying a distressed property that needs work or looking outside of your local market. Step 4, finance your investment. Unless you're paying cash, you'll need a loan. Traditional mortgages work, but look into investment property loans too. They often have higher interest rates, but they're designed for rentals. Save for a down payment, typically 20% for investment properties, and get pre-approved by a lender. This shows sellers you're serious and ready to move fast. Step 5, buy the property. Once you find a deal, make an offer. Work with a real estate agent who knows investment properties and don't skip the inspection. You want to catch any big issues, leaky roofs, bad plumbing, before you close. After closing, you're officially a property owner. Congrats! Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. What's holding you back from becoming a landlord? Let's talk about it. Now, step 6, prepare the property. Before tenants move in, make sure the home is safe and clean. Fix any repairs, paint the walls, and check that appliances work. You might spend a little up front, but a well-maintained home keeps tenants happy and reduces headaches later. In my area, St. Louis, we also have to get an occupancy inspection passed before a tenant can occupy it. Step 7, find great tenants. This is huge. Screen applicants carefully, check their credit, references, and rental history. You want reliable people who pay rent on time and respect your property. Set a fair rent price based on the market and write a clear lease agreement. If you're new to this, consider hiring a property manager to handle the day-to-day, especially if you're busy. Step 8, manage the property. Being a landlord means collecting rent, handling repairs, and staying on top of laws. Be responsive to your tenants. Fix issues fast and keep communication open. Build a team too. Plumbers, electricians, and contractors can save the day when things break. Now, becoming a landlord isn't always easy, but it can be rewarding. You're building wealth, creating income, and taking control of your future. If you're serious about this, you don't have to do it alone. Communities like Real Estate School are amazing for learning from other investors, getting tips, and staying motivated. They've got resources to guide you every step of the way. And for finding properties, check out Discount Property Leads. It's a game changer for scoring discounted single-family homes that fit your budget. So what's next? Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. The landlord life is waiting for you. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out the links in the description for Real Estate School and Discount Property Leads. They're awesome tools to kickstart your journey. And don't forget to watch our other videos on real estate investing right here on the channel. I'm Mike Slane, the Discount Property Investor, and I'll see you in the next one.